What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Today's fishing video is sponsored by Mule Fishing, and we are going to be doing a cleanup as well as trout fishing. I apologize for the fact that I've been gone for pretty much a month at this point. I didn't even realize that it was like that long until I actually went through and checked the data for my videos. Finals for Yukon absolutely destroyed me, and then I caught the flu during finals week as well, so that didn't exactly help. But I'm home now, back in Pennsylvania, and I'm going to be doing a ton of fishing. So today we're at this wonderful creek that I fish all the time, but first we need to do a cleanup. A lot of places around me are just filled with trash, and it's disgusting to see because it's us anglers who should be the ones spreading awareness and helping conservation and helping these species. But in the end, it's a lot of anglers that end up trashing these places. So today we're gonna be cleaning up the area. There's a lot of trash, so we're gonna get to work. I got 2 trash bags. Hopefully we can fill both of them. And with the amount of trash that I see around the creek, I think we're gonna fill them. So make sure to go check out Mule Fishing. I know a lot of you guys might not have heard of them, but they're a multi-species fishing brand. Thanks to Mule Fishing for also sending me a lot of really cool soft plastics and jig heads to try out. My friend Bobby Emery has been using Mule Fishing for a while now, and he has nothing but good things to say about them. He is in Virginia. He fishes for bowfin, warmouth, a lot of cool species on his BFS gear. But today I'm going to be trying out all my spinning gear for wild brown trout and maybe some stockies if they're mixed in. So without further ado, let's get straight into this cleanup and then the fishing. All right, let's get started. So I'm definitely going to turn this into a time lapse because, you know, I'm not going to show an hour footage of me cleaning the creek, but let's start with whatever the heck this like just random wire tubing is. I don't know why it's here. I'll have to show you guys something else that I see over here, which we're going to need to touch with caution. Yeah, oh, the exposure's, there you go. You see that? I'm kind of scared to touch it, but we're going to use a leaf. So I don't know why anyone would leave a perfectly good boot here, but pick up your masks. Ironic when there's garbage bags as the litter. And another thing that anglers commonly leave on the ground is cigarettes. If I was a conservation officer, I saw someone leave a cigarette on the ground, they're getting the biggest fine possible. There's bag number 1 down. When I'm done fishing, I will go through and fill up a second bag, which also won't take long. The lesson is, pick up your damn trash if you don't want your waterways polluted. Like I said, as anglers, it is our job to make sure that these fish are here for as long as possible in strong population numbers. And one of the things we can do to mitigate that is by picking up as much trash as possible and not putting trash on the ground in the first place. So without further ado, let's go back to the creek and start catching fish. The owner of Mule Fishing was nice enough to send me a bunch of stuff. Because the trout are smaller in this creek, I'm going to start off with these donkey tail juniors, which are these small swimbaits, and then I'm probably going to throw them on this 1/32 ounce jig head. Small little creek. The fish are going to be mostly small, but there are some bigger ones in here, so I don't want to go with the smallest jig head. I want to go with this size because it's pretty much the perfect all-around small stream stuff. So I'm going to tie this on and we'll get casting. All right, first cast. Oh, first cast. Look at that. A little wild brown. Well, I can say without question that he wanted that donkey tail. That is crazy. It took like 2 seconds and he just absolutely smoked it. All right, make sure to get your hands wet before touching trout. Look at that, guys. He smoked it. All right. Oh, there he goes. All right, so first cast, first fish. Either this is gonna be a very good day of fishing or we just got very lucky. So let's take our second cast and see how this goes. We were not lucky enough to get smoked on the second cast. All right, next we've got this little hole. I don't know, I don't usually catch fish out of this, like maybe some small ones, but if there's anything in here, it should hit the swim bait. There we go. Is that a rainbow? Oh, my net. Where are you, my net? My net's hiding from me. There we go. Oh man, he's not happy. All right, number two fish on the donkey tail is this perfect chrome looking rainbow trout. He is extremely green, so I don't want to keep him out of the water for too long, so we're just gonna let him go. There he is. He's fine. Look at him. Yep. Oh. He's fine. Oh, there's fish. Damn, he came out of nowhere. Nice rainbow. Wow, what a pretty fish. Look at that. Nice rainbow, a little caught in the net. Stop rolling, these stocked fish love to roll. So pretty. Besides the fact that it's stocked, but he crushed that. I didn't even expect it. He was sitting in really shallow water. All right. Mr. Rainbow is unhooked and boy, is he ready to go. There he goes. Sweet. Rainbow number 2, fish number 3. Hopefully we can hit some more. Oh, there we go. Is that a fallfish? It is. There we go. Can never be disappointed with some multi-species action. That fallfish absolutely smoked it. All right, sweet. There seems to be some kind of hatch going on here. There's a good concentration of fish in this pool. I don't know how they're going to react to the swim bait since they're keyed in on bugs, but time to find out, I guess. There we go. Decent fish. Oh, it's a fallfish. It's a nice fallfish. Where's my net? Ah. There we go. That is a nice fallfish. Absolutely smoked it. These things get such a bad rap, but they fight harder than trout. I kid you not. Oh my, what was that? Holy cow. Do you see that? Do you see that swirl? Either that was a giant fallfish or like a huge trout. Wow. There we go. That's a trout. Yeah. Is that a stocky or wild? I can't tell. Stocky. Let go. There's the durability of it. Look at that. It's just connected to his mouth. Oh, what was that? Are you kidding me? Bro, what? There's something nice. Oh, I didn't even see it, Joe. It's just a big rainbow, isn't it? Oh my God, that's a big, big rainbow. Oh, that's like a lot bigger than I expected. Oh my God. What the hell? Bro, look at that thing. That thing is wild. It's like a steelhead. That's crazy. Oh my God. I was not expecting to like catch like a nice fish today. That's crazy. Or hook a nice fish. We'll see where we get with it. And that's a little small. Sheesh. Look at that fish, bro. That's wild. I was not expecting a fish of this caliber today. Normally I don't get excited by stockies, but holy cow. This just happens to be a really nice one. That's crazy. There we go, guys. Not the most graceful of releases, but there it goes. Damn, that's crazy. See if he'll hit it again. Oh, well, he did hit it again. Well, he hit it a third time. Oh, that's a different fish. Oh my God, I caught it. Look at that. Is that the smallest brown ever on a mule swim bait? Look at that. I can't believe you actually fit that in his mouth. It's crazy. Oh, so frustrating. Just eat. Oh, there we go. Another really small brown, but a fish is a fish. Bloop. Oh, there's a fish. Another rainbow, is it? Oh wow, it's a really pretty one. Holy cow. I've never seen such a... Whoa. I've never seen a rainbow with such a pronounced red stripe on it. Like a stocked one at least. That's crazy. Alright. There he goes. Alright, unfortunately that is it. It is time to go home. We are done fishing. You know, I was expecting to catch more fish, but like that 22-inch rainbow definitely made up for the fact that the bite wasn't as good. Clearly the mule fishing stuff works. If the pressure was better, like it's a completely bluebird sky, there's no clouds in the sky at all. It's just not a good day for fishing. The conditions were better, it probably would have been every cast, and those jig heads, those little swim baits would have worked perfectly. I will definitely continue using those, and please make sure to check out mule fishing. I'll leave links in the description as well as in the cards. Please make sure to check it out. So thank you again to Mule Fishing for sending me that stuff. It will become a staple in my multi-species box, that is for sure. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you later.